My name is Grant Maeshiro. I'm currently the sales manager at Island Signal and Sound, which has been a Edwards dealer from before the EST merger.
Welcome, Grant. Thanks for joining us today. Why was EST4 selected for this particular project?
So the EST4 project that we recently completed was for the State of Hawaii Department of Education. Elementary school campuses. The Department of Education was really trying to spend money to both improve the fire alarm system or bring it up to code, but also to deploy fiber for their IT backbone. We've been installing EST3s for the last 15, probably over 20 years now. And we just felt going forward that we wanted to use the latest technology.
How was the installation process and planning different from previous installations?
We were able to test all the buildings individually before we had all the fiber connected up. And then once we plugged in the fiber, everything it came up right away, which was really nice.
And what would you say the feature or functionality that met or exceeded the site requirements expectation was?
What really helped us on this project was the flexibility with network topology. Unlike the EST3, we would have used probably 2 to 3 times as much fiber because we would need a separate audio source and we'd have to go in and out. You couldn't really T-tap it or start tap like you could with the EST4. So by using the EST4, we had economy of force with the fiber, left a lot more for the school to use for their IT backbone, which is what they really wanted to do. And so I thought it was a pretty great cost-effective solution for the school and for us.